What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be going over the Bitcoin price action right now for you guys. So if that sounds good, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. So what are we looking at here? Well, we came down to this 29,500-ish level that we've been talking about for quite a while in the group. And the reason why we were looking at that level is if you pull your fib from swing low to swing high, you have your 886 coming in at 29,600. So you have this massive gap between the lows starting here all the way down to here. So that's a $1,400 gap basically. And right smack dab in the middle of that gap is the 29,500, 29,600-ish area. And so if you guys have been following along with me, you guys know that in my group we do these live trading voice calls where most people are in here trading. You guys can see here the wins that people have been putting up that are usually in this group. You have mine, you have Michael C, you can see here, you have me, you have Ocean Child, which is right here, and then you also have Max, who is constantly in here, but right now he's not. He'll be in a little bit later. So yeah, and then you also have Iceman, who's in there as well. So we do a lot of live trading going on in the group, and so there were people down here longing this. And if you didn't catch the exact bottom, there were other reasons too. If we go down to like the 5-minute chart, right? Let's go down to 5 minute and kind of just see what was going on there. So you have multiple situations where you could have longed this low. So you have your swing failure pattern of this low right here. And if you missed out on that, then you had your swing failure pattern of these lows right here, where you come down, hit that. And then also too, what ends up happening? Boom, you come down, hit your golden pocket, and then from there you start to shoot up. So there's a lot of reasons to long down there. So congratulations to anyone who is in the group or wasn't in the group that did get a chance to take those that trade from the long down there. And if you did, then that means that you could have potentially been in the situation where you could have made about 10%. So 100% if you're on 10x leverage, 200% if you're on 20x leverage. So congratulations to all those who took the trade. And the next area that we were looking at as a group was above these highs for a swing failure of these highs. Number one, I'll give a lot of reasons as to why we are looking for this level right here. Number one, you have a swing failure of those highs, and also two, you have like these highs right here. I guess you could say, let me take this off. You have these highs and these highs. And why else were we looking at that? Well, and also too, you guys don't forget that we have a sign up to bybit down below this video. So if you guys want access to these ideas section that I have right here, where some people are able to get 17% off the idea, 3.65%, 1.8%. Again, if you're on 10x leverage, you just multiply that by 10. 20x leverage, you multiply it by 20. Then you also have access to Sushi Swap ideas. This is 35%, 24%. Aave, 17%. Let's see here, Cardano 30%, 17%. All these ideas, all you got to do is go down below, sign up to Bybit using my information, and I'll do that. A lot of the other YouTubers out there are just pushing the Bybit link saying sign up. I'm saying sign up and with my link, and I will give you guys something, give you guys back for helping support the communities. But anyways, the reason why I'm also putting that out there is because we're trading on Bybit, and so all these levels are from Bybit. If you're doing TA on another exchange, you're not going to come to the same levels. More than likely, you're not going to come to the same levels. So just wanted to say that before we get started. So anyways, right here we have the range point of control to the absolute dollar, basically. And then what else do we have? We have our golden pocket right here coming in. What else do we have? We have our daily level right here, daily level coming in exactly right there. And then the next question is, well, what else do we have? Well, we do have the monthly VWAP coming in, almost touching it basically to the dollar. So there's a lot of reasons to get into that short right there. And if you missed that short, well, then there was always the possibility of trading the daily open. And if you come down here, you will see that if we pull our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you have this. Let's go down to the 1 minute really quickly, because you guys know I love my 1 minute highs and lows. We did have a swing failure of these highs right here coming into the 618. And I remember that I was longing here and shorting here. Yeah, longing here, took profit as we took these highs right here. And then also as well, look on the 1 minute RSI, we do have divergences coming into the 618 right here. So just a lot of good technical trading all around for the most part. And then now we've just gone sideways here with a bunch of swing failure patterns. You have these lows right here being taken, these highs right here, these highs right here being taken, and then you come back down and then you pop back up. And so now it's possible that the next areas that we're looking for major swing failure ideas are obviously right above these highs right here, and then it would possibly be below these lows. I would say if you do take these lows, even though we already kind of did, if you do take these lows, it's possible that we'd come down below this area like 31,600 and then pop up from there, possibly. And so now all we basically have, oh yeah, also too, yesterday, if you did actually end up taking that long idea that we talked about in the video, then congratulations to you, because then you would have hit your first take profit right here. So congrats on that. We will go over that as far as if I were to get into a long, if I were to get into a short right now, what would I do? So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got going on as far as the volume goes. Let's see here for this. So, oh yeah, here we have our naked point of control coming in exactly to the dollar on that as well. So what we can see here is that we have some naked point of controls up above us at around 33,400. Then we have another one at 33,600. So those could be some areas to look out for. And again, when I was talking about that swing failure pattern, we basically have a naked point of control at 31,580. Other than that, we don't really have anything else necessarily coming in. So now let's take a look at the overall sentiment of the market for the day. So yesterday we could see that, again, if you're new to this, when you're going from red to white to green, that's bullish. When you're going from green to white to red, that's bearish. People are selling, I should say. People are selling, going from green, white to red, and then people are buying, going from red, white to green. So yesterday we just saw tons and tons and tons of people buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. Then when we got to these highs right here, the bigger retail traders right here, you can see people that are placing market orders that are $500,000 or more, were starting to sell as soon as you got to these high sides right here. But then they started to buy back, and everybody that was in the lower area was just buying, 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 buying. But most people were selling, getting either stopped out of their longs or taking profit on their longs right here. And let's see here. If we go to the start of the day, then we started out with retail buying, bigger traders selling. And then as we're working our way through, it's just kind of a mixture of buying and selling, buying and selling. And yeah, so then let's just come, and that's why this mixture of buying and selling is the reason why we were just basically going sideways. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's look at our net longs, net shorts right here for our open interest first. Let's take a look at that. Get rid of the delta bars. Yeah, open interest is completely going sideways, which means buying and selling is even. And then let's take a look at our net longs, net shorts. Let's bring this to 15 to 15. Yeah, so you can see here as we went up and took these highs, it was a combination of shorts getting stopped out right here. Well, let's take a look back over here. Yeah, so shorts getting stopped out, longs opening, shorts getting stopped out, longs opening, shorts getting stopped out right here. This is why we look for those swing failure patterns, is because you have these massive amounts of high levels of liquidity. Lots of people having their shorts getting stopped out right there. People opening their longs right up into here. Then people taking profit on their longs right here. Shorts opening up like crazy at the highs as well. So the smart traders were recognizing that this was the area if you were in a long to take profit, and also to time to switch into a short if you were there. And yeah, so now recently it's just longs getting stopped out, longs getting stopped out, shorts getting stopped out, shorts opening, shorts getting stopped out as we push up. So you had your little pump and dump, you had your dump and pump, I should say. And that leads us to what is next after we've gone through this, right? Okay, so let's go back over here. Let's see if we see anything for the sessions right here. New York, London. Yeah, so we had our divergences showing up here. We have no divergences showing up here. All right, so yeah, things are just basically looking sideways. I would just say that the areas for the day to kind of look out for would be up around here for your short positions, and then somewhere down here basically for your long positions. You have two basically, 31,600, and then you have down here below 31,300 could be some areas, and then you have your pivot there. And for the bigger term time frame, let's go ahead and go back out to the 1 hour. Well, if this was the bottom and we are going to correct an entire leg, we could just basically say that this is the leg that's going to be corrected first. And let's say that this right here, boom. Oh yeah, and like I was posting up to the group again, if you guys want access to the Neo's ideas where we're going over these ideas for all these different coins, you have to sign up to bybit down below, so make sure you guys are doing that, and also do join the Discord. I'm trying to find, here it is. We have this really nice channel. That was another reason why this was a possible area to get yourself into a short or take profit on your long. So we do have the golden pocket coming in here around 33,800 to 34,200 could be an area that we're looking for. And then after that, let's take a look. We have a major zone right here, right above 36,600. I think that's also going to be the golden pocket. No, we hit this to basically the dollar. So yeah, somewhere around here, 37,000 is looking like it's going to be a very high level to be looking out for. Let's take a look at the range as well, like this. Okay. Yeah, we've got a lot of resistances coming up right around here. And then once you get up to this area, you do have that high volume node right there. So let's just take a look at one more thing before we head out. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's modify that bad boy. Modify this pitchfork a little bit. Okay, bring up the options style. Modified shift. Original, nope. And inside, nope. All right. Well, I'd say that's about it for the overall ideas that we've had, how we've been trading it as a team. So like I said, if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go down below. We have the Discord link, the Bybit link. If you have any questions about signing up, trading for beginners playlist, that's completely free. I do have a paid playlist if you guys would like access to that, and it also comes with free one-on-one lessons with me. Then you have my altcoin channel where I go over some of the altcoins and the ideas and stuff like that, how we're trading those over on Bybit. And then what else is there? Yeah, I'd say that's really about it. Make sure you guys are joining the community if you want to be part of the community where people are actually live trading and you don't have to pay to be a part of that group. And also, too, we are going to be doing some challenges here pretty soon coming up. We've got people posting up their sniper entries. We've got people posting up their losses. I'm posting up some of my losses. Max is posting up his. Michael's posting up his. So this live trading is actually real. This is not like sugar coated where all we do is show our wins and stuff like that. That's right. Michael said revenge trades is a scam coin right here. So that's pretty good. And let's see here. Yeah, I think that's really about it. I was trying to find my, here it is. So here's an example of one of the shorts that we've taken recently down to that 29,600-ish area. Boom. Shorting the exact low, shorting the exact high, coming back down here, making 800% basically on that trade. So congratulations to me, and everybody else has been trading really well. And yeah, hopefully to see you guys over here in the live trading. Oh yeah, and one other thing, when you join the Discord, you're going to be put in the watchers section, and the way to make it out of that and to make it in the trader section and traders and charters is if you actually start posting up your charts that you've studied, either the free training or my training, and you're actually serious about trading, and then we'll bump you up, because the last thing that we want is people just coming in here saying, what should I do? Where should I do this? What do you think? Do you think we're coming down to 25K? No, we're not here to feed you, spoon feed you, any of this other stuff. You've got to come through, show that you're serious, and then you can be a part of the traders and charters section where we're doing that. But if you have any questions, any questions, you can come in here. And we have exo charts as well. This is what I was looking at right here. We have that kind of streaming right here as well for some of the people. So anyways, that's it. I'm done. Peace.